Hello guys, you're welcome once more to Educate. I'm your tutor Mr. Fukia. If you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share the link of the channel to those that it may be of help to that needs to improve their maths. Alright, so let's get right into today's video. We have a problem on integration that says evaluate the integral of sine x minus 5x squared. So with respect to the x, all we need to do in this simple problem is we are going to break this. So I'm going to have integral of sine what? X with respect to the x, then minus integral of what? We have 5x what? Square with respect to the x. Okay, now having written this, we know that our standard integral, when you integrate sine x, we are going to have minus what? Cos what? X. All right, and we have minus. Now the integral of 5x squared, we are going to treat it in such a way that we have 5x. We are going to add 1 to the power, okay, and we are going to use this new power to divide the what? Denominator. All right, then we can bring our what? Constant k. Okay, so this is going to give us minus cos what? X minus this becomes what? 5 raised to 5 times x raised to power what? 3 divided by what? 2 plus 1 is 3 plus what? K. So this gives us the solution to this simple problem. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share, this, question or this problem to somebody that may be of help to. All right, I will see you guys in my next question. Bye.